Hey y'all, what it do? If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned for the video. But before I get into the initial video, I want you guys to just know a little bit about the braids or whatever, because this is my first time attempting to do this. And me personally, I'm gonna let every lady know a secret of mine. You can braid your own hair. I'm gonna just put it out there. But I mean, if you just feel like you wanna just let somebody else do your hair, you sit there long in that chair, hey, that's you. But me personally, you can braid your own hair. All you need is some pre-stretched hair, a crochet needle, some crochet hair, and braid your hair and sit there. Or you can do, they have the regular way I did, and the rubber band method, which I feel like if you do the rubber band method, put a little oil to your rubber bands just so it won't take your hair, because I don't really like that. I do the regular way. I just plait my hair, which y'all see in the video. Okay, but before y'all get into that video, this is the way to go, especially when you have a fresh set of box braids. You always count on pink or pink sheen spray for your braids. But I hope y'all enjoy my video. It's not really like a tutorial, but it is a tutorial. I didn't like do my full head on camera, but y'all can see some of the steps that I did do, and I hope you guys like my video. So y'all stay tuned.
These hands around you, who else you gonna love? Nobody, baby, are you ready? Now it is ready. I'm talking key sweat ready. I can do so much for you.
What it do, GB Ganggg? It's your girl, BB. You know what I'm saying? But before I get into this video, I need you guys to do what? Like, comment, subscribe, turn those bells on, give us a ring so y'all know we coming through, because we coming through. To everybody who is new, hello, how are you? I hope you subscribe to our channel. You will love it. Trust and believe, because we're coming. Bring it down a bit. Okay, so as you can tell from the title of the video, it will be talking about my braids, my boho braids. I've always did box braids in my hair, but I never tried boho braids. And so far, so good. I'm digging it. It's kind of sore right now. But I wanted to just come on here and show you guys my method, my way, how I do it. I have a lot to go. I got this side and I got the back. But I have started, and this is what I have gotten so far. So the things that I have that you will need to achieve this look is, first and foremost, edge control. And this is Jackie Slick Edge Control Extra Hold. I got it from my local beauty supply store for $4.99. Okay, that's what I'm using. This is the Bohemian crochet hair I'm using. I got this for $4.99 in my local beauty supply store. And I'm also using, me personally, I advise any woman out there, if you're doing box braids, your first attempt to do your box braids, please, I advise you, fix this. Okay. I advise you to, okay, I'm back. I advise you guys to use the pre-stretch hair, just because I know it do take a little time. Like, it normally would roughly take me about 4.5, 5 hours to finish my hair completely. But I would just, to cut the time from 7 to 8 hours down to 4 or 5, use pre-stretch hair. I advise anybody to use pre-stretch hair. If you have a local beauty supply store, go get it. If not, get online. I know they sell this online. Pre-stretch hair is the way to go, because it don't take long to do your braids. And this is what I'm using in the color 120 inch. And I paid $1.99 for this hair. Yes. Okay. So I'm about to show you guys got a braid right here. I can braid for you guys. Basically, all I do, I basically was freestyling my parts. I don't have a certain way I do my parts. But I part my hair, I put edge control, I plait it, and then I crochet. Oh, crochet needle and a comb and some scrunchies. I crochet some braiding hair already in, like so. And I make sure I have one part longer than the other one just to give me the effect that I like. I like my hair to be kind of long. And so you just grab you some braiding hair. I stretch it out a little bit, even though it's already pre-stretched. I don't know why I do that. That's a habit. Excuse the noise in the background, y'all. I'm in the restroom. That's my fan. I don't like being hot. And what I do is I just do it like this, and I grip that, put it in the middle, bring my other hair around it, and I braid it. I do about 2 or 3 times around that before I start braiding down. Because I don't like, no cut against the rubber band method. I don't like the rubber band method because I don't like, it kind of like, I guess to me, it kind of thins the hair. And I don't like that because my edges are kind of thin. But they're growing back now, but they're kind of thin. And I don't want them, they weak. My babies is weak. And I don't need it to be weaker than that. If you see me looking up, I got my mirror, my setup right here. It ain't gonna be too much talking because I be trying to concentrate, hurry up, and get my hair finished. I don't have to be in my hair all day. And I don't be in my client's house. The longest I've ever did in my hair was like when I first learned how to braid back in 2014. And it took me about 7 hours. And that was my first time. But I'm gonna insert a picture if I still have it. I think I do. It's just sliding. Sorry. Insert a picture. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the back. Well, no, finish the front, and then I'll come back when I get to about right here, so I can show you guys the rest. I don't want to make the video too long or whatever for you guys. So I'm pretty sure y'all know how to braid hair, but I'm just gonna show y'all how I do my way. All right, y'all stay tuned. All right, you guys. So this is the top. I ain't even started on the back yet. But this is the top. So, I mean, it's pretty easy and simple. It's not hard at all. It's pretty easy and simple. But yeah. So, I'm going to finish my whole head and come back with the final look. You guys stay tuned. All right, y'all. So, I am so tired, but I'm almost going to have 4 more, so I'm going to do the last 4 on camera with you guys, and then I'm going to go off, put my makeup and stuff on, fix it up how I want, and show you guys the final look. Alright, y'all, so this part right here, I muted it because I was like, damn, I didn't want to make my video too long, but basically, I'm just right here doing my last 4, yeah, I have 4 braids, the last 4 I had to do, and basically, I don't think I was trying to show you guys, but I was just doing the last 4 on camera so you can see. But it's an easy hairstyle. It's not hard to do, especially the method that I did. Oh, it was tangled. It was tangled. Get it again. But yeah, I'm just talking. Oh, I ain't talking no more. Oh, yeah, I was looking a hot mess right there. But it's all right. Because wait till that final, though. Huh. I call myself trying to go fast. Go fast, go fast. Go fast, go fast. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. You gotta like it though. Look at me. Oh, look at me. Oh, look at me. Get it, girl. Look at me. I'm just talking. But yeah, I ain't about to talk no more. Y'all just keep watching the video. All right, bye. I thought it was done. It took a while. All right, so this is it. All right, you guys, so I'm finally finished. This is the final look. I'm gonna do a 360 so you guys can see the back. My head hurts, but yeah. And this is everything to the front. I like them. My head just kind of hurts, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy recording my little mini tutorial on the boho box braids. But yeah, so I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video if you like. Comment down below, you know, what you think. My first time doing boho box braids. I think I did pretty good. But yeah, this concludes the video. I'm gonna have like a mini little video in the end. But love yourself, know your worth, and y'all be blessed. Deuces. And she done.